Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log out your ShopPay account from all devices. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser at very first, because you can't do that from your ShopPay application. And after that, you just simply have to tap to your profile picture, which you will see into the bottom right side. Tap into that, and after that go to settings. Simply go to settings. After going into settings, if you scroll down a bit, you will get to see this option of log out of all devices below mobile number. Tap to that option and then tap to log out everywhere. And after this, your account will be logged out of everywhere where it's signed in. This way, you can also log out your account from all devices. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.